And welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Olympia espresso machine. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. I think I put a little too much coffee in it. But you can see we're getting nice crema. I just wanted to show you the flow rate. You can see we get a nice strong flow. So I'm sure it'll work just fine with when there's a little less coffee in it. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.